First off, we're going to cover the wet end disassembly on the U3 PD pump. Take your 7/8 end wrench, remove your cover nuts. No torque is required. Once your cover nuts are removed, remove the cover from your body. Set the cover in a safe place, the product side facing up. Visually inspect your rotor tips for damage. Use the proper socket for your rotor nut and the impact wrench. These have a high torque, so please check your manual. Remove your rotor nuts. Set aside. Once your rotor nuts are removed, you can slide the rotor straight off the shaft. With your rotor removed, inspect for damage, remove any O-rings, set inside the cover. With your rotors removed, inspect your product seals, make sure there is no damage inside the body, crossover, or back face of the pump. Next, we'll remove your body retaining bolts, 1/4 inch T-handle Allen wrench. Remove your body, sliding it straight off the studs, set on a flat working space. Remove any seals or O-rings. Inspect your shafts in the O-ring area for corrosion. Check your splines for wear and your threads. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.